Hey, this is Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and I'm doing something a little different today. I've been getting a lot of stuff in the mail, and I figured I'd do a quickie video just to say thank you to everybody, and shit like that. So I ended up getting this custom in from Bill K, and this is his first custom that he built, and he decided to send it to me, which I am deeply honored. And it's one of my favorite castings, which is a van. This hinges back. If you look at the detail, you did the wiring and everything. This thing came out really, really good. And I added this to I pulled it out, but I had it in my collection of stuff in a glass case. So it came out good. He also, because he's a veteran, Vietnam vet, he sent me these patches. He was a Marine in Vietnam. He was a gunner. And he also sent me some pictures of him, stuff that he had painted on his uniform when he was in Nam, and also the truck that he actually used and how he modified it and everything. And he sent me this nice letter to go along with it, which I'm not going to read, but very, very well appreciated, and I can't thank him enough. These are all, I'm actually going to find a way to stage all these back here once I have 10 minutes to myself. I also got a bottle of Jack Daniels and a car from Devil's Details Diecast, because he knows Chevelles are my favorite. Stay tuned, there'll be a video on this tomorrow on his channel, or check his channel out if you're watching this after Tuesday. It's pretty cool. There's a skull in there and everything, but the build is going to be up, so I'm not going to show too much of that. Then today, in the mail, I got a package from Big Paw Garage from Grizz, along with William Robinson, who sent me this van, because he knows I like super vans. So I'm going to add that to my collection. I've got a bunch. I got some up here on my wall. These are kind of things that I'm going to tackle fairly soon. Some of them I'm just kind of lazy, so I haven't put them away yet. So thank you to William for that. Then, along with that, I got this diorama. Again, this is from Big Paw Garage and Grizz. This thing, again, a Chevelle. Thing's got the ladder bars on there. I believe those are 3D printed parts that they make. It's got everything. It's got the guys. Well, guys and girls. It's got my website, my logo. Got to have a girl with big boobs, but it's got the staging lights. This thing is freaking awesome. I'm actually going to put this right here, so that way it's in all my videos. So that came out really cool. And today I also got a package from Jim Silva. If I can open this while holding the camera, which I don't know if I can. There we go. So again, he knows that I like Chevelles, and he built me this one. Look how cool this thing. So, and I don't see any JB Weld. Kudos, Jim. Kudos to you. But the paint on this thing is amazing. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the real riders on there. I mean, he did an outstanding job. I actually have all these are Chevelles. I'm going to put that right there. But I got Chevelles there, I got Chevelles here, I got Chevelles there. That's my custom cabinet that all my customs go in. Stuff that's going to ship out. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I got a lot of crap. So anyways, but I just wanted to say thank you to everybody. I can't thank everybody enough for the outpouring of support on a regular basis. I hope to continue to inspire or make you hate me. I don't know, one of the two, going forward in 2021. I know it's been kind of a messed up year, so it is what it is. So thank you, and I will catch you on the next one.